Cerro Caviahue, one of the best places to ski in Argentina. Come here for skiing, snowboarding, dog sledding, or soaking in hot springs. Located in Neuquén province, the resort sits on the side of Caviahue volcano, which can be heard rumbling during evening soaks in the nearby town of Caviahue's mud hot springs. The terrain is ideal for beginners, and types of skiing offered include alpine, Nordic, and randonnée. The season runs from mid-June to the end of September and, other than the month of July, has very few crowds. It's also much cheaper than the larger the resorts. Fly from Buenos Aires to the city of Neuquén, then rent a car, get a bus, or hire a transfer service to go the 224 miles to Caviahue. There's a ski school and equipment rentals on site. Check out the torchlight parade on Fridays, in which skiers carry torches down the slopes, symbolic of both of greeting new visitors and saying farewell to those leaving.